Gun hit, but still.
I got you.
I'll stand up, I'm dead. Where did my dead rat go?
I saw it last
time.
Yeah,
everyone's a medic.
Yeah. Pretty sure it's
some in the top of Escher and some in tower.
I don't see it. Did it fall backwards?
Give me a second now.
Yeah, we're good. Oh, I found it. Never mind.
I can't tell who these guys are.
They're friendly, or else they'd be shooting us.
I hope so. Yeah, I guess they're all like rushing. It's a very bad day for us.
Yep.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, somebody should be able to grab Connor by now. We're up on that corner that guy got me from.
You have your dead rag in your hand.
Yeah, I got it. I found it.
Where are they shooting us from?
Or he got you? Y'all both dead?
Yeah. Oh, no,
which side are y'all on? The other side? All right. All right, Blake, what are you gonna do?
Get healed up.
I got the gun.
Get Connor healed up. Let's go.
There's a dude whose rounds are bouncing right there, but I don't know.
They're on that back building. They're on the back building. I see him. Evidently, somebody's in the Escher. I don't know if it's friendly. There's a lot of dead guys up here coming up. We got to get up and heal some of our guys.
Yep. I'm up, Blake.
Go, Ben.
Wait, Mike.
What?
Are you east or west?
Oh, you're from this that side?
From that side. East or west? Okay. Yeah, I ran around this way. You're lying.
All right, you're up. And I think they're inside the Escher building.
Don't worry about that. Move. What's up, dude? Go.
Watch that corner over there. Friendly inside, friendly inside, friendly inside.
Camera over here.
All right, hey, we're clearing this corner. Pushing.
Sorry.
Camera. Okay, move.
Let's go.
Go.
You're good. You're fine.
Crossing.
Hey man, move away from the door. Dad, move away from the door. About to get lit up.
You got all of them or no?
Hey, push in that way. This
All right.
corner's clear. Push in that way.
Hit!
I got you, buddy.
Clear!